Hello, everybody. As you can tell, the Great Gardening Adventure has begun. I'm a little in the pink side today. What I have done, let's see. So I've got tomatoes, two types of tomatoes. These are Vincenzo tomatoes from a friend of mine. Yellow breakfast tomatoes, black cherry tomatoes, and gold cherry tomatoes. Over here we have some cucumbers, and then if we go up here, we have onions and basil. So we're just waiting for those to get started. We've wrapped the shelves, which we've moved down into the basement, in just one of these emergency blankets, just to keep the heat in. And I've also got my tomatoes. One of these is on heated pad as well. So we're going to see how this goes. I'll give you an update probably in a couple weeks. Hopefully they'll start popping. Great Adventures gardening begins. Let's move some of the Rose of Sharon seedlings. Oh my God, they're wet.
Because you're not getting any sunlight.
Yeah. If I get asparagus, I want something here. Okay. Where do you want it? Okay, we're gonna see how the garlic did. I planted 3 types of garlic this year, about 135 cloves, which was more than I planted last year. So let's just see how the garlic did this year. Oh my God, it smells like garlic.
Oh, yeah?
What do you want to do? Do you just want to take it off and turn it upside down?
You're going to walk, we're going to roll it right over.
Just back to this side over here.
That way all the leaves and shit are right on.
Yep. so we got blackberry. See how under the blackberry, the rhubarb's coming right up?
Yep.
Then there, this is the stuff that Jesse gave us. And then that old one that we had.
So we're going to put in raspberries or more black. I want more blackberries in the middle.
Yeah, in the middle.
So we need at least one more plant.
One more plant there. That can go up, and then we can string some more out.
Put some more string. I might use the wire from the old clothesline.
Oh, that's an idea.
All right.
Yeah, that's an idea. Because this does sag.
No, it's going to sag. It's rope.
Yeah.
Right? But with that wire, that'll last forever. So.
Yeah.
Urban planting.
Yeah, at its finest.
The beast walks through the garden.
So there's the garlic. Rhubarb. Blackberry bush. Blueberry bush. Another blueberry bush. Another blackberry bush. So you can see we've got the blackberries here on these ropes that we put out. So we're having it trellis across. And we'll go from there. So I'm going to... Angus, get out of the leaves. And take these leaves, and I'm actually going to give them to the chickens because there is lots of worms and slugs and stuff in there. So let's go look at the chickens. Go, ladies. Okay, more. Chickens being chickens.
Good work.
So it's the end of a very busy day. This is the best place to have it. Bye, everybody.